Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the SIM in and the phone unlocked. Start by confirming mobile data or network is active. Open Settings, Network and Internet, or use the phone app to enter a network info code. Once done, check the SIM or status area for operator text. Make sure to toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force re-registration. You're doing this to prompt the radio to requery the network. This first round gets the device talking to the carrier and reveals basic operator identifiers. Now dive deeper. Go to About Phone or SIM status and read the operator name and roaming indicator. This tells you how the network identifies the SIM. If the name is generic, use diagnostic codes like *#06# or carrier-specific codes to reveal MCC/MNC values. These numbers prove the operator identity. Once you have MCC/MNC, check them against known lists or a network info app. You do this because names may be masked. The numeric codes are authoritative and persistent. Finish by matching the MCC/MNC or the displayed operator string to a carrier name. That confirms the SIM operator. If you see no operator, restart the phone and reinsert the SIM to force a fresh registration. Once done, verify with settings again. If it still fails, capture the ICSID or IMSI and contact the carrier's support. These identifiers let them confirm ownership. One key troubleshooting tip: if network name is wrong, toggling networks or testing the SIM in another phone isolates device versus SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.